As you might have figured out, I'm not crazy about salads, but today,
No shit, Sherlock.
today I'm gonna make one I actually like. Fenia's potato salad. And it's really good. First, we have to make a mayonnaise. 300 milliliter of sunflower oil, 2 egg yolks and 1 whole egg. See if I can avoid making a splatter here. And then a pinch of salt, a little bit of vinegar, like maybe a teaspoon, and a little squeeze of lemon juice, something like that. It's not exact measure, you just go by feeling here. And half a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. And we use our immersion blender. You see if I can show you here, so you can see what happens. And then you just start in the bottom and slowly move up. And there you have it. A super creamy homemade mayonnaise, and it's so easy. Next, we're gonna cube up some cucumber. Get rid of the ends here. And we slice it down the middle. And again, in, let's say, I don't want the pieces to be too big because you want to have like texture that matches. So something like this. There we go. And into our bowl. And then we grab an apple, beautiful apple from Pilio. They make great apples up there. And in half, in quarters. And then we cut out the middle. And then we're gonna first slice it up like this. But here we wanna also cube it, but we wanna make smaller cubes than the cucumbers. Then we cut them into batons. This, small batons.
They look so nice, man.
Because they are nice, these small pieces in potato salad. Into our bowl with that. Next up, we are gonna take 200 grams of smoked turkey in this case, but you could use ham if you prefer that over this, but it's just, we like the smoked turkey from the Deli, it's good. And we are also gonna dice this. So, same procedure. And in to cubes. Last ingredient for prepping is 3 large carrots that we're going to grate on the coarse side of our box grater. Obviously, we have potatoes. These are baby potatoes that's been cut into bite-sized pieces and then boiled in heavily salted water and cooled down. So we're going to add those. And our grated carrot. Nice. And last 200 grams of green peas. Fresh green peas, actually. And I will give this a little bit of a mix. So we get it all mixed together. For our sauce, we're going to start out with some Dijon mustard. A tablespoon or 2 teaspoons, whatever. You can also use sweeter mustard if you want to, but we like the Dijon. About 2 tablespoons of olive oil, maybe a little bit more. And the same with white wine vinegar. 1 tablespoon there, 1 tablespoon there. Doesn't have to be exact measurement this. Pinch of salt, freshly cracked black pepper. And we give this an initial mix. And when that is nice and combined, we go in with all our beautiful mayonnaise. That's just the good stuff here. There we go. Very nice. Then some Greek yogurt. And I would say, shall we start out initially with what, half of this?
Yes.
I would say 4 big tablespoons, I would say. 3 maybe? Nah, 4. Because that's very nice and very fresh. And we mix all this together. I mean, obviously you could make this only with mayonnaise, but I just find that it gets too, I don't know.
Too heavy.
Too heavy, yeah.
Too much.
And all of this nice sauce, we pour it over our salad. There we go. And we give it a mix. Simple as that. Let's see if Fenia's potato salad can live up to its reputation. Some potato, peas, turkey, the whole thing. That's fantastic. Doesn't have too much mayo, not too heavy. It's fresh, it's light, it's really, really damn good. You should give this a try.